How to clear search history on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can clear your search history on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to clear your search history on YouTube, there are two ways to do this. One is that you can actually clear your individual search history by tapping the search icon here, and you should be able to see all your search history. You can just long press on it here and then just tap the remove option to remove that individual search history if you'd like. But let's say you want to clear all the search histories. In this case, it's very simple for that as well. Tap the YouTube profile icon. Now tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Then go to the option called manage all history and then tap on it. Select the YouTube or Google account of which you would like to delete the history. Now the option that we have over here is that you can see the delete button over here, and you can see that there are no separate stuff for searches. You can only see the delete button, and here also you can see search for this stuff, search for this, and all of this. You can actually go ahead and clear them by tapping the delete option. Tapping on delete all time, confirm you would like to delete the following activity, so tap on delete here, and then all your search history will actually get deleted. Just refresh the YouTube application and then open it up again, and you will notice that now we don't have the search history. This way you should be able to clear your search history on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.